Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening settings and tapping screen time. This kicks off controls now, so don't delay. Once there, tap turn on screen time and choose whether the device is yours or your child's. That determines default suggestions. Immediately set a screen time passcode. Use a 4-6-digit code different from your lock code to prevent casual changes. This passcode is how you lock settings and enforce limits, so write it somewhere secure or use a password manager once done. Once the passcode is active, you'll configure app limits and downtime to shape daily usage. Add app limits for categories like social networking or specific apps and pick precise daily allowable minutes or hours. Then schedule downtime to block most apps during chosen hours. This enforces sleep and focus times. Next, enable content and privacy restrictions to lock purchases, explicit content, and privacy settings. Make sure the screen time passcode is on, so these changes can't be reversed without it. To finish, verify the setup by opening an app you limited and confirming you see the screen time block. This proves rules are active. If adjustments are needed, return to screen time settings and modify app limits, downtime, or allowed apps, then save. If you want a new passcode, change it under Change Screen Time Passcode. Make sure you remember it. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone, confirm screen time sync via iCloud, or use Apple's recovery flow to reset the screen time passcode as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.